Hi friends, welcome to Time to Wealth. I'm Pawan Kumar. Today I'm going to show you some of the trades which I've taken up. The trades are just for the duration of within 5 minutes or maximum of 6 minutes. There were 4 trades which I've taken up, and you can see on the screen I've made a profit of 5,400. This is all in the Nifty options, wherein I was buying the 17,600 put. So it's very important to understand what was the strategy I used and what was my execution plan to make 5,400 of just say 5 minutes, or even a maximum of put together a maximum of 10 to 15 minutes. Let's look at the orders which I have placed, and I'll tell you what was the reason and how did I place these orders. Okay. So first of all, looking at the first order, 17,600 put, which I have bought at 9:43 a.m. today morning at the price of 198. Okay, let's look at the Nifty chart at 9:43, and I would explain you what was the reason why I've bought this put. So if I come here around 9:43 here, 9:40. I was seeing a hammer candle formation, so I was waiting for the candle to form, and the next candle formed below this candle, below the I would say the head of this candle. And I know that this is very important to understand, which is the 50 days exponential moving average, the green line. This acts as a resistance. Since we are in the downtrend, the candles are forming below this line. I'm sure that this acts like a resistance, and it hits that and goes down. So this is where at around 9:43 I have bought a put, and you can see immediately there is a bigger tail here which has gone down at around 9:45, and my exit was at 9:45. So it is just a matter of 3 minutes. The first trade I've exited at 206. I bought at 198, exited at 206. So I have covered this 9:45, and just in one candle, I have made the profit and I came out. And another reason why I've done this is because you can see here the RSI is showing a negative. It's a negative trend. What RSI was showing. After this trade, I have gone to the next trade, that is at 11:17 a.m. It is the same put which I have again bought, but you can see the price here. It is at 197. It is below 198. So friends, it is very important to wait for the market to come to your price. Don't hurry up in order to buy things. If it is not going to come to your price, that's okay, do not trade. But don't hurry up things and enter into a position which has got a higher value. Always buy at low levels, exit at high levels. And when it is at high levels, just wait and watch. The market is going to correct. It's going to give you a chance to re-enter, and then you need to enter at a low level. The same way I've done here. 11:18 a.m. I have entered at 197. Let's look what happened at 11:18 a.m. So here, this is the candle, 11:18 a.m. The previous candle was, it's not a doji, but however, you can see again the 50 days moving average was nearing, and Nifty tried to go above this. It was not sustaining, and again the RSI is showing a downward trend. And here at around 11:20 I have entered this trade. Yeah, at 11:18, sorry. So 11:18 I have entered the trade here exactly, and I have exited it. I have exited it at 11:24. Okay, so we can see here what happened at 11:24. Okay, 11:820 and 11:24. So just one candle, and you can see how many points I would have covered. From 17,462 I would have just covered to 500, just a matter of 10 points. Okay, and this is the reason why you need to buy options with higher delta. When you're buying options, always ensure that the delta price is higher, more than 0.70. I will show you that after the next showing you the next trade what I took. And the last trade what I took was at we can see here again the average price was just 194. From 198 I sold at 206. I again bought at 197. I sold at 206. Again bought at 194, sold at 204. Another quick trade, 1153 I entered, 12.3 exited. So 1153, what was the situation? 1155, 1150, exactly here it tried to break this resistance of 50 days moving average and it failed. The moment it failed, I bought it, and then you can see here fantastic, the RSI also showing downward and the prices also start going down. And this is when I've made a profit and I have exited the trade at 12.3. Overall, it was a sideways movement, and these are the situations when you need to use your scalping skills. You need to enter at the right time and exit very quickly if you're an option buyer, right? Now coming to this delta, which is very important, let me quickly show you what is this delta and how important it is. If I go to the option chain, clicking on full option chain, this is the open interest data which I've got on the screen. Okay, it's very important when the market is going down or up. You should, if you're a buyer, if you know the direction, always look at this delta. So we can see here the delta what you buy, the option strike price what you buy should have a delta more than, if it is on the put side it will be negative, that is minus 0.74. So basically it should be more than minus 0.70. If it is on a call side, the delta should be more than 0.70. It is just a positive on the call side, negative on the put side. So minus 0.74 is this, these are the calls, these are the puts which I have traded. That was the 17,600 put. Currently now it is at minus 0.61 since the day is closed. However, when I was trading, it was at 0.71. What happens is when you buy a higher delta, in this case 0.74, for 1 point of Nifty, the option premium would move by 0.7. Got it? So for 1 point here, the movement will be 0.74, and that is when you get the exact movement. Instead of buying Nifty futures, you can buy the option, and 1 point Nifty moves. Imagine if you are buying a delta of minus 0.94, you need to pay more money, but the movement will be much more higher. Sometimes you would have noticed that the premiums will not move when Nifty moves, but here when you buy higher delta, it is equal to Nifty almost. The moment 1 point Nifty moves, we get to see the premium moving by 0.94, almost 1 rupee along with Nifty. So if you're an option buyer, always buy out of the money call and put which has more delta, more than 0.70. And if you're a buyer, you need to avoid holding position for a longer duration. You need to have quick exit. Do not trade more than 4 or 3 trades in a day. You can expect fantastic returns out of this strategy. I hope you have enjoyed watching this, and I'm sure you're going to implement this in your trading. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Thank you.